So here I am on the side of the road. Radiator coolant hose rubbing on the alternator. What you need to do is always carry a screwdriver. One screwdriver. One roll of black tape. A blade where you can do whatever you want to with. And find yourself on the side of the road, you can fix anything. But I think I'm going to try it some more. Adios. Rooster out.